To lock apps on the Redmi 14C, first of all open settings. Now you will have to go into the apps, click to manage apps, and you will have to go right now into the app lock. When you tap on it, click to turn on and you will have to set the privacy password. So you can use this simple dots, or you can change the password so you can get this pattern, pin or password. Now when you input this password, do this one more time with the same. Click next. Additionally, you can sign in for the Xiaomi account if you forget this password, and it will be needed to actually reset this password. But if you don't need to, click to not now. And right now you can simply unselect all of these apps because there's like some kind of the recommendation. So click to use app lock. You can even turn on this fingerprint to unlocking your apps. And here you can simply, let's say that I want to block my YouTube application, so I have to tap on the switcher. And now when I'm going to open YouTube, I will have to input the password. Take a look. There we go. And that's how it looks. Thanks for watching.